Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why we sprinkle salt on icy roads during winter? Today, we're going to explore the science behind this common winter practice. Welcome to our video. Why do we put salt on icy roads in winter? Let's dive right in. We will learn with the help of a simple experiment. Here, I have two glasses with equal amount of ice. Initially, there is no water in both these glasses. We are going to add salt to one of the glass and leave it for some minutes. Now let's check on the condition of both of these glasses. Let's start with the glass containing only ice. As you can see, it has very less water in it. On the other hand, you can see the glass containing ice and salt has more water in it. Let's pour the water of both the glasses in different glasses. You can clearly see the amount of water both the glasses have given us. The glass with ice and salt has clearly given us more water than the other. When salt comes into contact with ice, it lowers the freezing point of the water, effectively melting the ice. But how does this happen? Salt is composed of sodium and chloride ions, which are positively and negatively charged particles. When we sprinkle salt on ice, these ions dissolve in the thin layer of liquid water that forms on the ice's surface. As the salt ions mix with the liquid water, they disrupt the orderly arrangement of water molecules in the ice, making it more difficult for the ice to remain solid. The freezing point of the water is reduced, causing the ice to melt. Let's check back on our glasses again. This is how they look. You can clearly see a lot of ice available in the glass which is without salt. In this case, without the presence of salt, the ice remains solid because the freezing point of water is not altered. When we apply this concept to icy roads, the salt acts as a catalyst for melting ice and preventing the formation of dangerous ice patches. This helps ensure safer driving conditions during winter. I hope this simple demonstration helped you understand the reason behind using salt on icy roads. That's all for today's video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. And, as always, stay safe on the roads during winter. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.